So today I'm going to be filming this super dewy, natural, no makeup, dewy makeup look. That was a long name for a tutorial. It's not actually gonna be named that, but that's just like combining everything this look is into one. But anyways, I've been posting pictures on Twitter of me wearing this makeup look, like just selfies. And those selfies have been getting a lot of feedback because they're like, Christina, goddamn, your glow. And I'm like, please, I know. But it's just this super natural glowing makeup tutorial. It looks like you're not even wearing a lot of makeup. You could get this done in literally like 5 or 10 minutes. I wear it every single day to my classes because it just takes like no time in the morning. And excuse that my hair looks gross and I was gonna put fake nails on today, but I didn't get to in time, but it is okay. Besides that though, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, stay subscribed to my channel, and follow me on my social media, which is BeautyChickee on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook if you're not already. So I don't want to blabber on too much. I want to hop right into this tutorial, so let's get started. All right guys, so let's get started. First, hair, of course. You want to clip your hair away from your face. Next step, moisturizer. This is the one that I always use. This is the Lush Celestial Cream. This moisturizer is amazing, especially for the winter time. You only need a little bit. That's honestly too much. Literally the smallest amount goes such a long way with this stuff. It's super moisturizing, and it doesn't have anything like harsh in it for your skin. It's super moisturizing, and it's wonderful for the winter time because of that. Like, this is the ultimate moisturizer. I'm telling you guys, like, I'm not even sponsored by Lush, but it's just amazing. All right, so the next step is this stuff. This is my holy grail. This is what I mainly use. There's 2 main products in this video, and this one gives you that like fresh skin look without making it look like you have a bunch of makeup on your face. This is the Dr. Jart Tiger Grass color correcting treatment. All right, so this stuff actually looks green when you open it because it is a color correcting product. However, what's really cool about this is you just take a little bit on your finger. I just like to rub it in my hands just to warm it up, and when it goes on your face, it's still green. But as you rub it in and let it sit, it actually color corrects to your face. So it's just going to automatically match to the color of your skin. It's just going to color correct things and make you seem, you know, a little bit more awake and have a little bit better of a complexion. It's gonna basically like blur your imperfections. Not that you have any, but you know, like pimples and that stuff. It's gonna blur them, keyword. It's not going to cover them up completely. But you want to just really work this into your skin. Make sure that you have an even application. I actually don't even have a mirror today, which is really stupid of me. I don't know why I didn't work. Oh wait, there might be one inside out of this product. All right, so now that I have a mirror here, looking at this mirror, it looks like I have it pretty, you know, rubbed into my skin. I swear this like video isn't sponsored by any of these companies whatsoever. I just really like this product and just wanted to say that, you know, you could wear it under makeup or you could wear it alone. Obviously I wouldn't put it over makeup because that would defeat the purpose. But I like to wear it alone just because, you know, color correction, simple, easy, that no makeup look. I'm going to now wipe my hands with my makeup remover wipe because usually after this step I will wipe my hands on my pajama pants because I'm usually wearing pajama pants when I do this look. But you know what, we can't do that today because I'm at work and I don't want to walk out with, you know, this stuff on my jeans. Okay, so next step would be powder. It's just a little bit of translucent powder. We're not baking or anything. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm obsessed with this stuff and it just fell like all over my jeans. Gonna take a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a little bit, Christina. I did not mean to take that much, oh my gosh. Anyways, as stated, I'm just taking a little bit of this and I'm just swirling my brush in it. And I'm just going to set my T-zone basically. So like around my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. We're not gonna go in with like setting it, you know, just like a little bit, just a little bit. Just because I have oily skin and, you know, you should set your skin a little bit, you know. So that's really all we're going to do. As for setting, I know, rare occasion, Christina's not baking today. All right, next I am just putting some lip balm on my lips. We're gonna finish off the look with lip balm also, but we're just putting it on now because, you know, want to keep those lips moisturized. guys. All right, so next is the main part of this video, which is how I get that like huge glow going on my face. And that is this stuff, the thing that I've been using as my mirror. So this is the Winky Lux Strobing Balm, and this one is in the color Bubbles. This stuff I randomly got in a PR package and I've been hooked ever since. It's like the champagne-y color. It's a liquid and it gives you that amazing dewy highlighted look. So all I'm doing is I'm just taking my 2 fingers, gonna rub it in there, and I'm going to start on my cheek, kind of temple area, cheekbone, temple area. You guys saw what I just did. I kind of just like sweeped it around like that. And now I'm just going to basically like massage it and blend it in. I blend it upwards, I blend it downwards, you know, whatever works. Want to get that glow going wherever you can. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, just kind of sweeping it down and then going in and blending it out. Sometimes I take like this part of my hand, like my palm, and I'll blend it out because it's like a bigger surface area, I guess, than my fingers, and it kind of acts as like a little beauty blender in a way. All right, next I'm gonna take some and put it on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. I'm just going to blend that out, get that nose glow. Now I'm gonna take a little and put it on my Cupid's bow. And now we're gonna take it and put it on our brow bone. I almost forgot what this is called. It looks like I'm like flipping you guys off, my bad. Do the same thing to the other eye. And then we're gonna put some in the center of our eyelid. Now the only thing that kind of sucks with this stuff is that it does crease, and I'm talking like a lot. But to me it doesn't really matter because only if I like close my eyes like completely is where you could see the creasing. But if you're just like looking at me having a conversation with me, you won't realize. So it gives you that dewy look, but you know, creases. I also like to take a little extra and just apply it like right to the bottom, almost on my lash line right in the center, and blend that out like so gently, just because I want to, you know, keep the majority of it there and just keep the center of the eyelid popping. And then with my pinky, I'm gonna take a little bit, and that is going to go in our inner corner. The inner corner is the most annoying to do because, you know, you can't really control a lot and you're only using your pinky, so it could kind of get difficult. I also like to take a little bit more and just kind of like dot it, not on the direct center of my forehead, but just like kind of like the sides over here, you know, and kind of just blend that out a little bit. And lastly, a little bit right on the center of our chin. And that is how I get my Mega-Glow. Next up, setting spray. Honestly, you don't really need to set this, but we're gonna set it anyways just to be sure. So I'm just shaking it up. This is the Scandinavia setting spray for oily skin. I'm just spraying a little bit on my face. That was definitely not a little bit, but whatever. And then we are just going to let that dry quickly. All right, it's already dry. It would take a long time if I use a gallon like I normally do, but we're not doing that today. All right, so now moving on to eyebrows. I'm taking my little spoolie, and first I'm just going to brush my brows up. And basically, I'm sure you guys have seen from my tutorials before, my go-to product is the Benefit Gimme Brow, so that's what I'm going to be using. However, I'm gonna try not to fill in my brows as much as I typically do. I definitely wanna fill them in, but not go, you know, super dark with it, so I'm kind of just brushing through my brows quickly. I love this stuff because it makes you look like you have like a perfect eyebrow, and it's so quick and easy, and it looks very natural. Of course, do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Once I fill those brows in, I'm just going to brush them out again with my spoolie just to get them in place for when I apply my brow gel. So like I said, brow gel, I'm using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, which is my fave. Taking this, just brushing it through my eyebrows, and once again, spoolie and just shape our brows for the last time so they dry how we want them to dry. I must say my eyebrows are not the best right now, that my eyebrow game is a little bit off, but that is because I don't want to do my brows until I go to LA, so I can make them look on fleek for LA. All right, next step, eyelashes. So for lashes, I'm just taking my lash curler and I'm going to go and pump up those eyelashes, curl the hecking out of them. I literally curl my lashes to the gods, and I know everybody's like, oh my god, curling your eyelashes is so bad, it could cause breakage, blah blah blah. All right guys, the usual mascara combo, not the Better Than Sex mascara, why did I say that? Origins Ginseng mascara and the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast, but first we're gonna apply the Origins one. So I'm just taking that and I'm running it through my upper lashes, doing the other eye as I normally do. Like I said, next mascara is the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast. This is one of my faves. Taking that and I am just applying that to my upper lashes as well. I just got mascara on my hand, but we're gonna ignore that. The Soap and Glory one gives volume, while the Origins one gives length. That is why I love this combo so much. Also, may I mention that the Soap and Glory one is amazing for bottom lashes, so that's exactly what I'm doing now, is I'm applying it to my bottom lashes. All right, mascara is done. Obviously, since this is like a natural kind of no makeup look, I'm not gonna go in and, you know, put any kind of falsies on. Honestly, I don't really wear falsies that much anyways, but oh my god, it is 4:30 and I have to be out of here by 5. Anyways, one more step, guys. I think I said this earlier, but we're going back in with lip balm for the last step, because you really just want to make sure that your lips are glossy. So lip balm is the best way to keep them hydrated and keeping them glossy. So I'm just putting a crap ton of Carmex on. I love Carmex, especially the tube one, because it just makes your lips look nice and glossy, and it's nice and hydrating, and it's just really nice. Like I said, nice 1,000 times. All right, so that is it. Let me take my hair down, even though it's disgusting right now. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial, guys. I know this tutorial was like really quick, but you could literally do this makeup in like under 10 minutes. You might even be able to get it done within 5. It is my super quick makeup. I literally do this for all of my classes. There's a little fuzzy. Goodbye, fuzzy. I do this makeup for all my classes, as I just said. And even when I'm just running out, I'm going to run errands or anything, I'm probably gonna wear this going on my flight to LA, because it's just super quick, super natural, super easy. And yeah, so that is it. So if you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and let's move on to the end card. If you chickies enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, stay subscribed to my channel, and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, which is BeautyChickee on Twitter, Instagram, Wait a minute. What just happened there? I think I just like repeated myself. I was like, oh, follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, BeautyChickee on Twitter, Instagram. Anyways, moving on. You guys get the point. Follow me on all my social media. It's on the screen. If you want to subscribe to my main channel or my vlog channel, click here. And if you want to see my latest vlog, click here. And that is about it. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video. So with that being said, ciao, ciao, chickies. Mwah.